Morning, guys. Right now I'll be able to discuss the power of multiple accounts. Approximately that's what we call 7 heads. Okay, so a lot of guys, okay, we want to earn big in this business as early as possible, but let me tell you guys that if you really want to make big in this business, okay, guys, I advise you to have 7 heads. And what is the 7 heads all about? Okay, now 7,980 is our single package. Our company, okay, can give as much possible 7 heads under your single name. This is what we call branch out. Okay, and in traditional business, we all knew that the more branches you have in your business, the more earning that you can have. 7,980 pesos times 7. These are Philippine package. In your country, you have your own package. You can just convert 7,980 pesos times 7, maximum number of accounts. The investment of 7 heads is how much? 55,860 pesos. Now, of course, the products that you'll be receiving, the same thing. It is also times 7. The minimum package in the Philippines worth of products is worth 6,000 pesos. Times 7, definitely it means you will about to receive worth 42,000 pesos worth of products on your 7 heads. And moreover of that, you will earn an outright income of 10,500 pesos. Okay? That's an outright income. In a way, I'll be discussing it and how did you earn this income outright without, doing nothing. Okay? And then, definitely, out of your 55,860 investment of having 7 heads, okay, the return of investment is total of 52,500 pesos. Almost the same thing, same amount what you have invested. And how will be your structure goes? Example, this is Mr. Bright 1. Now, because you have 7 accounts or 7 heads, okay, this account, another account, this will be placed also, of course, under your name, which is Mr. Bright 2. Bright 1, Bright 2, this is Bright 3, Bright 4, Bright 5, this is Bright 6, and Bright 7. Now, Mr. Bright, you have 7 heads under your single name. Okay? Now, the good news about this one, you can earn so much compared to a single account. Okay? And how could you earn? Number 1, okay? Anyway, before I forget, let me first discuss how did you earn 10,500 pesos. Okay? Mr. Bright 1 invited Bright 5, invited Bright 2. They match. Bright 1 earned total of 2,500 pesos. Okay? Clear? Bright 5 invited Bright 6, invited Bright 7. They have matched. Bright 5, okay, earned same thing, 2,500. Bright 2 the same, 500, 500, 1, 5. Bright 2 earned how much? Bright 2 earned 2,500. Definitely, that's total of 7,500 pesos. Now, if the parameter is Bright 1, okay, Bright 7 and Bright 4, they have matched. That's another 1, 5. Bright 6 and Bright 3, they have matched. That's another 1,500. That's total of 3,000 pesos. Now, 7,500 plus 3,000, you've earned total of 10,500 pesos. Now, that's our business. Without doing anything, out of your 7 heads, you've earned outright income of 10,500 pesos. Okay? Okay? Now, the second step, okay? Your job is to sponsor. You will just sponsor 8 people, 8 prospects, quality prospects, same thing with you, who will actually buy also 7 heads or 55,860. Okay? And that 8 person, if they join your team, okay, you will earn, okay, this will be placed under your team. This is your first downline, that bought 7 heads. Second downline, bought 7 heads. Third, and the fourth, 6, 7, okay, and 8. Now, there comes, you have 8 people under your team who actually bought the same thing what you have bought, which is 7 heads or 55,860. Now, Bright 6, 7 on the left of Bright 6, 7 on the right of Bright 6, 7 times 1.5, Bride 6 earned total of 10,500 pesos. Bride 7, the same. 7 on the left of Bride 7, 7 on the right, 7 times 1.5, Bride 7, the same thing. It's also 10.5. Bride 4 times 1.5, 7, okay? That's 10.5, the same thing. Bride 3 also earned 10.5. Now, Bride 5 has its own left and right. Definitely, if this, they have own leg. Now, 7 plus 7, and that's 14. 14 on the left of Bride 5, 14 on the right of Bride 5, 14 times 1.5, Bride 5 earned 21,000 pesos. Okay? And then the same thing. Bride 2 earned 21 also because they have also 14 on the left, 14 on the right. Now, the question is, how about Bride 1? 14 plus 14, that's 28. 28 on the left of Bride 1, 28 on the right of Bride 1, 28 times 1.5, Bride 1 earned total of 42,000 pesos. Am I clear? Now, okay, 42,000 plus, okay, 2, 21,000 plus 4, 10,500 pesos. Total, from Bride 1 to Bride 7, you've earned total of 126,000 pesos. Okay? That's how big it is, okay? If you can have your 7 heads, okay? Now, the good news. Number 2, we will help, okay? Again, we will help these 8 people find their own 8 quality prospects who will join his team. We will teach that 8 person, to sponsor also what you have done of what? 55,860 pesos. Am I clear? Now, same process what you have done, this will be done also to your 8 prospects under your team. Okay? Now, since this is a helping business, okay? If we teach these people, find their 8. Example, this one, find this 8. This one, of course, find these 8 people. Okay? Sponsor 8 people under his team. Okay? The good is, guys, okay? These people, these 8 people who bought also 7 heads, they will earn also of how much? 126,000 pesos. Okay? Now, if they are happy, you are more than happy. Why? Because at this stage, the total earning of you, Mr. Bright, is total of 1,008,000 pesos. Okay? Am I clear? And that's a total of 1,008,000 plus 126,000 plus 10.5. Total you've earned, Mr. Bright, of total of 1,144,500 pesos. Okay? So that's how powerful 7 heads is this. Okay? So guys, I'm encouraging you, okay? If you really want to make it big in this business, I'm encouraging you guys to make 7 heads. Okay? So guys, more power, okay? And God bless you all. Power.